Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app info immediately. This saves time versus navigating menus blind. Tap Settings, then Apps, and find the target app. Once you reach the app page, make sure to tap the three-dot menu or the edit icon if visible. You want to access the app's icon or shortcut settings now. If the app supports custom icons, the option appears here. If not, we'll cover an alternate launcher method next. Now choose your execution path, native launcher or third-party. If your launcher supports editing, long press the app icon and tap Edit. Select a bundled icon or pick an image from files. For third-party launchers, open their settings, go to Icon Theme or Shortcuts and pick Import or Custom. You can crop or leave full size. Once done, tap Save or Done. This replaces the home screen icon, while the app's internal icon remains unchanged. Finish by checking both the home screen and app drawer to ensure the new photo applied. If the icon didn't update, clear the launcher cache in Settings App's Launcher Storage, then restart the launcher. That usually forces refresh. If the system blocks edits, install a trusted launcher, or create a shortcut with a custom image using a shortcut app. One key tip: if icons revert after updates, reapply the custom icon after updating the app or lock launcher settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.